My daughter is sometimes, it depends on the day of the week, the weather, and the position of the moon. Sometimes she loves chicken, sometimes she doesn't. I don't understand. Welcome back to our channel, a safe space for us to discuss topics related to motherhood, body positivity, and overall wellness. If you're joining us for the first time, welcome. And for those of you returning, we appreciate your support. I have missed you guys so much. Let's discuss. You know, it's the end of the year. There's a lot going on. I have to put my mental health first, and I am feeling a little bit overwhelmed just because, you know, I have some things going on personally, which I will share hopefully within the next couple of weeks. All good things, but it's just a lot of legwork to get to the end goal. So it's taking up a lot of my time, and I'm forced to prioritize. I love meeting with you guys every Tuesday. I love to talk about all great things, but sometimes I have to prioritize and just kind of step back and make sure that I'm putting things that are most important, like our livelihood, because professionally as well, I have some things coming up, projects closing as it's coming to the end of the year, and I have to make sure I put that first. So I did miss you guys though, and of course I'm hitting you with a Thanksgiving Trader Joe's haul, because you know that when it's Thanksgiving, it is giving all the great things. Okay, let me take this out so I can really like get comfy and talk with you guys. I am so excited because I love Trader Joe's. 1, 2, you guys know I get excited because my family comes down for Thanksgiving. So they're gonna be coming down in a few days. By the time this uploads, they will probably already be here, but I wanted to make sure that I got this for you so that if you are planning to head over to Trader Joe's, or this is your first time going, oh my gosh, this is the time to go. All right, so let's jump in to all of the great things that we got at Trader Joe's. Every time I go to Trader Joe's, you know I must pick up fresh flowers. So that's the first thing we're going to talk about. I love their fresh flowers, especially if I'm having guests. I just love to make sure my flowers are like super fresh. If I'm not having guests, I always have fresh flowers, but specifically when I know my family's coming down or I'm having a special guest at the house, I love to make sure that we have fresh flowers. So I did get 2 sets of hydrangeas. Oh, they look so good. You never go wrong, guys. I don't know if you've ever gotten flowers from Trader Joe's. You will never go wrong. I also got 2 sets of white roses. This will probably fit into 2 different, I usually maybe will set up 2 floral arrangements of hydrangeas and roses in 2 different vases. I like to do it that way. I'll probably have 1 in the living room and 1 on the dining room table. It's just a beautiful thing to see. It makes the house just get a little freshened up, a little fresh experience, right? I love it. It makes it just feel a little dazzled, and I love it. For the holiday season, unfortunately, I know this is coming as a surprise to many of you, but I will not be putting up holiday decorations. I know, clutch your pearls. I'm still clutching mine. I feel like I might need a support group to get me through the holidays without having like my beautiful Christmas tree up. And you know, I love to decorate the mantle. I love to have our special Christmas here, but for certain reasons, I won't be putting up Christmas decorations, which I'll share with you guys in a few weeks, but I'm mentally getting through it. But I do have to make sure that a part of my holiday season is having some fresh flowers, because that at least makes it feel like the house is spruced up a bit. And also, you know that right before Thanksgiving, they always bring out some really great things, holiday or seasonal related items at Trader Joe's. So first things first. They had candles. Oh my gosh, guys, I'm so excited about these candles. So I got 2 of them. This is the Cedar Blossom scented candle. I mean, if you don't have a tree, or as you guys know, I always say, if you watch my candle videos, I'll link one here. You know that if you have a fake tree, but you still want that smell of pine in the house, I love to have a Blossom candle burning. Now, you guys know I am a Bath and Body Works fan, but I do love Trader Joe's candles. Now, I will tell you, for these smaller ones, I usually put them like in a smaller area. So maybe if you're doing it, like for example, if you're running a bath in your bathroom and you just want to have a little candle burning, these small ones are great. Of course, you can use regular sized ones, but sometimes if the regular sized ones are really potent, and they have really good throws. Sometimes it might be too small if you have the door closed to have that type of scent going. So I love these small ones. They definitely do the trick, and it smells so good. It's Cedar Blossom. And these, I don't remember the price, but you guys know I'll always put the price up here. So I got 2 of those. I also got another candle. Guys, I know, who is she? Red Fruits in the Forest. Let me tell you, it's closed, but they did have a tester out. And what I love about it is it has the wood wick. Guys, there's something about the sound of that wood wick. You know, it sounds like it almost sounds like when you're burning real wood in a fireplace. It has that crackling sound, and I love it. I not only bought 1, but guys, I bought 2. Listen, I wanted to buy like 3 or 4, but you know what? This is really trying to have some sort of control. Speaking of candles, let's discuss the candle that's burning today real quick. Of course, it's a Bath and Body Works one. This is the iced cranberry scone. So good. Let me tell you what the notes are. So you have fresh cranberry, crumbly brown sugar, and sweet vanilla. It's a fun time for all. I'm gonna be honest with you. I will be doing a pre-game candle day video, because you know Candle Day it's usually the first Saturday of December. So I believe that is December. I think it's December 3rd. Of course, you know I will be in the place to be. You know that. And you know that I will be shopping. I will shop. I will film. I will upload same day, because you guys need to know the tea of what the great candles are out there. But this year I'm doing something extra special, because I know I've been gone for a while. I got to make it up to you guys. I will be doing a pre-game Candle Day video, which I'll be sharing with you guys, like the candles that are like must-haves for me that I'll be getting for the Candle Day haul. So I will definitely share with you some of the scents, so that if it's your first time doing Candle Day, you can look out for some specific scents. I will try to organize them by the different types. Like I know there's like you know, like the fruity scents and maybe some of like the woodsy scents. I'll try to separate them out and organize them. So if you are like a woodsy girl like myself, you know, I love like frankincense, frank and myrrh rather. I love amber. I love any of those kind of woodsy scents. I love. So I'll definitely share them with you. You know, the mahogany one is one of my favorites, mahogany teak wood. So I will share all of those in a separate video, but I want to let you know the pregame video is coming. I digress. Let's get back to Trader Joe's. You know, I could talk to you guys all day, and I've missed you. It's been so long. I know, guys, I know. So Simple Wines, you know I love my wine in a can, and so does my mother. So you know she's coming down, I have to have them. This is the mango flavor. Guys, I love these wine in a cans. Comment below if you've tried it since I've told you about it. It is just a really nice, crisp, clean taste, and it is carbonated. I also got the peach, and I did get one more of the mango. Okay, so I got 2 peach and 1 mango. All right, moving on. You know that they usually have the triple ginger brew. They usually bring this out right around for the holidays. So I did get this. I love, let me tell you, this will give you a killer Moscow Mule, okay? It is gingery. If you like ginger ale, but you like it when it's like extra, there's like that extra ginger in it, it's almost tastes a little spicy, this is the one for you. It is so good. Be forewarned though, I will tell you, I like to try to finish this same day I open it, because I just feel like the fizz goes out. So I really do try to finish that, you know, if I'm drinking, of course, with friends. You could probably get like 3 good glasses, unless you're doing like a Moscow Mule, you may be able to get some more, but I always like to try to finish that same day, so just be forewarned. Now the next thing I have here is cranberry ginger beverage. I've never tried this one. I'm excited about it though. It has ginger and it has cranberry. I love cranberry juice. I love ginger ale, so I feel like this is like a win is a win, right? So I'm definitely excited to try that. Make sure you're following us on Instagram, because usually if I like something, it's really top tier, I will definitely share it in my Instagram stories. Now, you don't have to be dramatic. Let me get the intensity up, the suspense, because I look forward to this every single holiday, okay? And they were almost out of it, and I have no shame. I bought 5. There was only like 8 left. I don't care. I don't care. 1, you know it. 2, 3, and 4 and 5. Listen, your girl loves this snack. This is one of my favorite snacks. Let's talk about what's included in the Step Up to the Snack Bar. Guys, I get this every year and I love it more and more every year. Snack mix with honey mustard pretzel pieces, honey roasted peanuts, corn chips with flaxseed, cheddar cheese rocket crackers. That's like the Trader Joe's version of Cheez-Its, right? Honey roasted sesame sticks and chili lemon corn sticks. Guys, that's Brooklyn in the background. For those of you that don't know, that's my dog. He loves to make his little debut. So you hear him growling in the back. He's playing with his toys. So I apologize ahead of time. Now, this is a new one. I've not tried this one before. It says the nuts, the rosemary, the crunch, the flavor, it's all here in the can. So you've got sweet mix of almonds, cashews, hazelnuts, and pecans with a robust flavor of rosemary. And guys, I love rosemary, so I feel like this is a win for me. I didn't even taste it. This is what it looks like though. Like that? Come on. Come on. Come on. That looks like a dream. This looks like a bougie version of the peanuts that they usually have at the bar. I hope you guys never eat that because that's like the most unhygienic. That's like eating something off the toilet bowl because you know everybody puts their little crusty hands in there and 90% of those people not even washing their little crusty hands. I'm judging. But this looks like it, doesn't it? Doesn't this look like a bougie version? And look at, can you see like the rosemary on there? Oh, that looks so good. I can't wait. I can't wait. Make sure you're following us on Instagram and I'll let you guys know how it tastes. Oh, I love these guys. I got 5. I might go back and get more. Listen, don't threaten me with a good time. Grated Parmesan cheese. Okay. This is a staple. I get it all the time. I did get it because I'm making lasagna. Usually for Thanksgiving, I make lasagna, but I use Impossible meat because my mom and my dad are vegetarians. It is a fun time for every single year. Listen, I don't have step when it comes to Thanksgiving, guys. My parents drive all the way from New York just for the cooking. I'm not gonna hold you. They're happy to see their granddaughter. They're happy to see their daughter, sure. But the reality is they're here for the cooking. And that lasagna does not have step, okay? It never disappoints. Guys, this is something that I really love. I don't know if you guys love portobello mushroom soup. This is top tier. And they only have it for like, I would say like it usually runs out and they don't replenish it. It usually comes out right before Thanksgiving. If you see this, grab it. I grabbed 2 of them. I love it. It tastes so good. And it's seasonal. This and that and the snack bar I definitely look forward to. I've gotten the snack bar for the last 3 holidays. I think they started it I would say 3 years ago. I never saw it before and I made the mistake of just buying 1. And then when I went back the next week to get more, done. They don't replenish either, so when you see it, get it while it's hot. The next one is the whole milk ricotta cheese. This is also something that I use in my lasagna. You can't go wrong with it. I love the whole milk ricotta cheese from Trader Joe's. The other cheeses I got for my lasagna is my shredded mozzarella. This is the one cheese. Actually, I lied. This is the only 2 cheeses I buy pre-shredded. The Parmesan cheese, the shredded Parmesan cheese. You know what I also buy too, actually, when I'm making tacos? I will buy the pre-shredded Mexican trio from Kraft. I will buy that. But these are really, really good when it comes to adding it to my lasagna. Secret, I also add the white extra sharp cheese. Takes it to the next level. It takes it to the next level every time. You're welcome. Try it. I'm saying you're welcome ahead of time. The next thing, guys. Let me tell you. Let me tell you. Butter toffee pretzels. A dream. When I close my eyes. When I close my eyes and I dream. Look, my baby's here. He wants to say hi. Say hi, Papa. Say hi. Hi. I know. Listen, guys, many believe God is in the church. He is right there in these little butter toffee pretzels. Oh my God. I could finish it in like, okay, well, not one sitting. Oh my God, maybe if it's a really good movie, if I'm watching something on Netflix and it's like really, really good, I probably could because it's that good. It's so delicious. Absolutely phenomenal. Let me tell you guys, let me just show you how he sits on my lap. Like he thinks he's like a little baby. Look. I know, That's my baby boy. I love him. That's the little boy, the only little boy I'll ever have, right? I know. That's my Brooklyn. All right, let me put you down because mommy wants to finish up this video. So the next thing we have, of course, are my plantain chips. Guys, I usually buy this 4 to 5 bags at a time. I only bought one this time, surprisingly, only because I literally have 3 already. But I feel like every time I go to Trader Joe's, I have to buy at least one because I'm so scared they're going to randomly discontinue it. Because you know Trader Joe's is known for finishing on top. They will end with a bang, okay? They are not gonna wait for it to be like, oh, this was a poor seller. Usually the top sellers, they're like, yeah, we're not gonna, oh, you guys loved it? Fantastic, let's discontinue. I don't know what type of toxic relationship that Trader Joe's tries to foster with people. I just don't think it's right. All right, we can talk about that another time. You know I get upset every time because I don't like that they end things. Why do they do that? Okay, their pecan pie is pretty good. I really do enjoy it if you're planning not to make it yourself. I mean, I do love to make it myself, but I'm trying to make things a little bit easier this year. We have the heirloom whole chicken. Now, I've never had the heirloom chicken. It was a little pricier than, you know, a typical chicken, but from what I hear, this is like top tier and that we should really try it. I saw it on Black Girls Love Trader Joe's. If you guys follow them on Instagram, you already know. She usually will share, Dee will usually share any of the new things, and I was like, okay, let me try it. She's like, oh, you guys should try it. All right, fine, I'll try it. It is a little bit pricier, but I have to tell you, I'm excited for it. I usually just do my baked chicken real simple. I usually spatchcock it, which is the way you cut it. You kind of cut it along the back and then kind of break the bone so that it lays out flat. I find that that allows you to avoid the bottom of it being soggy from sitting in the juices. I love it. Since the first time I made it that way, I've really never gone back. So I'm just gonna make a small chicken again because my mom and dad are vegetarians. My girlfriend loves chicken. I love chicken. My daughter is sometimes, it depends on the day of the week, the weather, and the position of the moon. Sometimes she loves chicken, sometimes she doesn't. I don't understand. I've become a short order cook, guys. I've become a short order cook. I'm not happy about it, but hey, it is what it is. Their dal. I told you about it before. If you're making West Indian soup and you know you like to drop your split peas, but you want to cut the process a little bit, cut corners a little bit, make it a little bit faster, guys. This never disappoints. Or just heat it up and put it over some white rice and make a little bit of curry chicken. It's a fun time for all. The yellow tadka dal. Listen, it never ever disappoints. I appreciate you guys for staying with us until the end. I am so thankful for you. I know I've been gone for a little bit. I appreciate you guys for watching this. Please comment below. Let me know if you missed us. Please let me know what you plan on cooking for Thanksgiving. Like, what is on the menu? And lastly, let me know how you'd like to see us share content for Thanksgiving. I know the first year I did it, I kind of took some clips and then showed like some top 10 things to prepare for Thanksgiving. I don't remember how I did it last year, but this year I'm thinking about just doing shorts and keeping it really simple because, you know, I'm the only one that cooks. I have about maybe 8 to 10 things on the menu, and so I want to make sure that I can focus in on doing that and not overwhelm myself with too much filming. But if you guys want to see something specific, do you want to just see like some highlights? Do you want to see the actual recipes? You know, I'm happy to share that because, you know, it won't be in time for Thanksgiving, but it'll be in time for Christmas. Some of the things you can definitely use for Christmas, like things like the lasagna. I'm making banana pudding. I'm making dressing, things like that. Don't forget to head on over to Instagram, TikTok, Facebook. Follow us here. Feel free to subscribe if you enjoyed this video. I appreciate you guys so much. I'm thankful for you. I hope you're able to be with your family during the holidays. We appreciate you guys so much for watching. Until next time.